This is Christina from Ace Vacuums. I am going to talk about Miele canister vacuums. Is the Miele C3 home care vacuum worth the investment? Yes, the Miele C3 home care vacuum is widely considered one of the best investments for homeowners who want deep, reliable, and quiet cleaning. Built with German engineering, it offers powerful suction, durable construction, and superior filtration. Customers at Miele dealer Ace Vacuums often call it the last vacuum they'll ever need. How does the Miele C3 home care vacuum perform on different floor types? The Miele C3 home care vacuum excels across all surfaces, including hardwood, tile, low-pile rugs, and wall-to-wall carpet. With its adjustable suction and optional power head, SEB 228 or SEB 236, it adapts beautifully. Many Miele dealer Acevacuums customers choose it specifically for homes with mixed flooring. Is the Miele C3 home care vacuum good for homes with pets? Absolutely. The Miele C3 home care vacuum with the SEB 236 electro brush effectively lifts embedded pet hair from rugs and carpets. Combined with its HEPA air clean filter and sealed system, it also neutralizes odors and allergens, making it a favorite among pet owners at Miele dealer Acevacuums. How quiet is the Miele C3 home care vacuum during use? It's impressively quiet for such a powerful machine. Customers frequently comment on how the Miele C3 home care vacuum is less disruptive than other brands. The 6-level suction control lets you reduce noise even further, especially when cleaning delicate surfaces. How durable is the Miele C3 home care vacuum? The Miele C3 home care vacuum is built to last 20 years or more with proper maintenance. At Miele dealer Acevacuums, we regularly see customers bring in their decade-old Miele vacuums still running strong. The reinforced hose, crush-proof wand, and solid casing give it unmatched durability. Does the Miele C3 home care vacuum require much maintenance? Minimal. The Miele C3 home care vacuum requires bag changes and periodic filter replacements. The filter change indicator is simple to follow. At Miele dealer Acevacuums, we offer filter sets, tool replacements, and annual maintenance services to keep your vacuum running like new. How does the Miele C3 home care compare to other Miele models? Compared to standard C3 models, the Miele C3 home care vacuum includes premium upgrades like a longer warranty, 5 years on parts, 10 on motor, stronger electro brush options, and often more accessory combinations. It's an exclusive model only available through authorized stores like Miele dealer Acevacuums. Can I try the Miele C3 home care vacuum before purchasing? Yes! You can visit Miele dealer Ace Vacuums in Fairfax or Leesburg to see the Miele C3 home care vacuum in action. We offer hands-on demos, side-by-side model comparisons, and expert advice to help you make the right choice. Is the Miele C3 home care vacuum a good choice for seniors or users with mobility issues? Yes, very much so. The Miele C3 home care vacuum is ergonomically designed with a telescopic wand, smooth swivel casters, and a foot-controlled cord rewind. It glides easily and is lightweight enough to move between rooms. At Miele dealer Acevacuums, many older customers find this model easier to use than upright vacuums. How does the Miele C3 home care vacuum perform with fine dust and allergens? Its sealed air clean system combined with the HEPA filter traps 99.9% of fine dust, pollen, and allergens. The Miele C3 home care vacuum is certified for allergy protection and is highly recommended for asthma and allergy sufferers by Miele dealer Ace Vacuum staff. What accessories are most popular for the Miele C3 home care vacuum? Top accessories include the mattress tool, universal dusting brush, radiator brush, and flexible crevice tool. Customers at Miele dealer Ace Vacuums often bundle these with their Miele C3 home care vacuum purchase for maximum versatility. Where can I buy the Miele C3 home care vacuum with full support? You can purchase the Miele C3 home care vacuum online or in-store at Miele dealer Ace Vacuums. We're an authorized Miele partner, offering demo units, expert advice, and long-term support in both our Fairfax and Leesburg, Virginia showrooms.